We're going to learn Perek Vav, Mishnah Ches, the last Mishnah in this Perek. This Mishnah is going to discuss when does a person have to recite benching after they're done eating, and when is it enough for them to recite Me'ein Shalish, a shortened version of benching. In our benching today, there are 4 brachos. There are Shalish brachos, the first 3 main brachos of benching, and then there is a 4th bracha that was added into benching later. These brachos are, number 1, Berachos Hazan, the bracha of sustenance. This bracha was made by Moshe Rabbeinu after the Yidden were given the man as their sustenance. The second bracha is called Berachos Haaretz, the bracha of the land. This bracha was made by Yehoshua after the Yidden were able to enter into Eretz Yisrael. The third bracha is called Bnei Yerushalayim, the building of Yerushalayim, which was made by David HaMelech and his son Shlomo HaMelech after the Yidden were able to build Yerushalayim and build the Beis HaMikdash. And there was a 4th bracha called Hatoy V'Hametiv that was added later by the Chachamim in Yavne. So our Mishnah is going to have 2 parts. The first part of the Mishnah is that if a person eats fruits from the Shivas HaMinim, for example, if a person ate figs or grapes or pomegranates, then says Rabban Gamliel, when he is done eating, he will have to say Shalish brachos, he will have to say the entire benching. However, the Chachamim argue with Rabban Gamliel, and they say that for eating the fruits of the Shivas HaMinim, you do not need to recite the entire benching, but it's enough to say Me'ein Shalish, the shortened version of benching, the bracha that we would call today Al Ha'etz. However, Rabbi Akiva argues with Rabban Gamliel and the Chachamim, and he says that even if a person only eats cooked vegetables, which is a food item that's not even part of the Shivas HaMinim, if he eats this as his main source of sustenance, then he will be required to bench after eating these cooked vegetables. Now, the second part of the Mishnah is going to say that if a person drinks water because they are thirsty, then the Tana Kama says that before drinking the water, he will have to make the bracha of Shahakol Nihya Bidvaroi. And Rabbi Tarfon argues on the Tana Kama and says that before drinking the water, he will have to make the bracha of Boirei Nefashos Rabbis. We are now going to read the Mishnah inside. The first part of the Mishnah, in this part we are going to have 3 different opinions. Opinion number 1, Achal, if someone ate Te'enim, Va'anavim, V'rimoinim, figs, grapes, or pomegranates, these are fruits of the Shivas HaMinim, then Mevarech Achareyan, he benches after them Shalish brachos, 3 full brachos of benching. Different Rabban Gamliel, these are the words of Rabban Gamliel. Opinion number 2, V'chachamim oimrim, and the Chachamim say that bracha achas, he makes 1 bracha me'ein shalish, that is a shortened version of the 3 brachos. The third opinion, Rabbi Akiva oimer, Rabbi Akiva says that afilu achal shelek, even if he ate cooked vegetables, v'hu mezoinai, and it is his meal, then mevarech acharav, he benches after it shalish brachos, the 3 complete brachos of benching. The second part of the Mishnah, hashoy semayim, someone who drinks water litzma'oi, for his thirst, then says the Tana Kama that oimer shahakol niya bidvaroi, he says shahakol niya bidvaroi, that everything was created through Hashem's word. However, Rabbi Tarfon oimer, Rabbi Tarfon argues and says that Boirei Nefashos Rabbis, he says before drinking the water, the bracha of Boirei Nefashos Rabbis, that Hashem created many souls.